Becoming a logical thinker, steps to sharpen your mind. Title: Becoming a logical thinker, steps to sharpen your mind. Introduction. Becoming a logical thinker is a valuable skill in today's complex world. By honing your logical thinking abilities, you can enhance problem-solving, decision-making, and critical analysis skills. Whether you're a student, professional, or an individual seeking personal growth, developing logical thinking skills will undoubtedly benefit you in various aspects of life. In this article, we will explore practical steps you can take to sharpen your mind and become a more logical thinker. 1. Understand the basics of logic. To cultivate logical thinking, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the fundamentals of logic. Familiarize yourself with basic logical concepts such as deductive and inductive reasoning, syllogisms, logical fallacies, and propositional logic. By grasping these foundational principles, you lay the groundwork for further logical thinking development. 2. Apply critical thinking techniques. Critical thinking goes hand in hand with logical thinking. Engage in activities that facilitate critical analysis and evaluation of information. Practice questioning assumptions, evaluating evidence, and considering multiple perspectives on a given issue. Incorporate critical thinking into your daily life by engaging in intellectually stimulating discussions, reading thought-provoking material, and solving puzzles or brain teasers. 3. Seek out logic-heavy subjects. Expose yourself to subjects that heavily rely on logical thinking, such as mathematics, computer science, philosophy, and logic puzzles. These subjects provide opportunities to exercise your logical thinking skills and challenge your mind. Embrace the challenges and approach them with a mindset focused on problem solving and logical reasoning. 4. Develop problem solving skills. Problem solving is a key component of logical thinking. Sharpen your problem solving abilities by practicing systematic approaches to address complex situations. Break down problems into smaller, manageable components, identify patterns or connections, and consider alternative solutions. Regularly challenge yourself with logic-based problems or riddles to nurture your problem-solving skills. 5. Embrace rationality. Cultivate a rational mindset by making evidence-based decisions rather than relying on emotions or biases. Train yourself to think objectively and critically analyze information before reaching conclusions. Develop the habit of seeking evidence, considering different viewpoints, and drawing conclusions based on sound reasoning. 6. Practice analytical reading. Analytical reading is an effective way to enhance logical thinking. When reading, actively engage with the material by questioning the author's arguments, identifying assumptions, and evaluating the evidence presented. Take notes, summarize key points, and engage in reflective thinking. Engaging in analytical reading will not only improve your logical thinking abilities but also enhance your overall comprehension and learning. 7. Engage in logical and lateral thinking exercises. Logical thinking exercises, such as solving Sudoku puzzles, crosswords, or playing strategy-based games like chess, can be immensely beneficial in sharpening your logical thinking abilities. These exercises require you to analyze, strategize, and think several steps ahead. Similarly, practice lateral thinking exercises that challenge you to think creatively and outside the box, as this can compel immense and enhance logical thinking skills. 8. Develop clear communication skills. Logical thinking and